so nervous.
I'm nervous now for him, too.
This means a lot.
When a man loves a woman, can't give his mind or nothing else. He tried to war, but it good things fine. If she's planning for the poor, he's the last one to know. To the loving us can never see. Whoa. When the man loves a woman, I give you everything I can. Trying to hold on to your precious love. 'Cause baby, baby, please don't treat me bad. When a man loves a woman, deep down in his soul, she can bring him such a misery. If she's playing for a fool, and he's the last one to know. 'Cause baby, baby, when a man loves a woman, when a man loves, when a man loves a woman. So open your eyes and see the way our horizons meet. And all of the lights will
Wow. Wow. Can I just say, boy, Heidi, that hug really worked.
I don't think you could have done it better. Mic drop. You left it all on that stage. You were amazing. You should be very proud of yourself.
I have a feeling you're gonna have to stop fishing because this is where you needed to be.
You were so nervous, I genuinely thought for one moment you weren't going to be able to do this. And then that happened. And it actually made me love this audition even more. And I really like you. That was a great audition.
Yes.
I mean, brilliant.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
I agree with what Simon said. You know, you have a
Thank you
beautiful.
so much, Simon.
You ha-
Oh.
No, it's okay.
I think he gets excited with Simon, his favorite judge.
Oh. This is.
Go give him a hug.
So can you see the star? Oh, I'm standing.
Thank you.
Peace on my heart is beating too.
I gotta say that I think Simon's absolutely right. It's the emotion, and we could feel your heart. And I think that everybody just heard a life-changing moment.
Thank you so much.
Let's vote. I'm gonna kick this vote off with your first yes. Howie.
Thank you so much.
Number 2, second yes.
Thank you.
Yes!
Thank you.
4 yeses.
So open your eyes and see. Thank you.